Hey guys, MoneyMarrowTech, back in our tech review. Today in front of us we have VRS for the Samsung S25 Ultra. Now the company featuring MagSafe, wallet, and camera guard. Also good protection in the front. Last year I reviewed them on S24 Ultra. Hopefully this year they did a little bit more improvement. And also this is the seventh company video I've done on my series. So please feel free to hop on my playlist where I have done multiple companies for the Samsung S25 Ultra lineup for cases. So also, the first time on my channel, guys, go ahead, like, comment, and subscribe, and let's begin the VRS review. All right, guys, first case here is your VRS DESIGN Origin Case for the Samsung S25 Ultra. This is a rugged wallet case that they can hold up 3 cards, have a kickstand and a camera cover. Comes in 3 colors, come in black, metallic red, metallic green. From the front, you have nice resivity. So you have plenty of room for a screen protector if you wanted to, or without it. Okay, the buttons, very clicky. All right, you have nice little grooves on the side, on both sides. All right, cutouts on top. S Pen, just fine. Speaker grill, Type-C, microphone, just fine. On the very back, here's your camera guard. Open up. It does not flop close. It stays open. And then when you close it back up, it stays closed until you open it up. Here's your kickstand, okay? Also doesn't flop open or close back when you close it. Besides right there, guys, I hit it with my finger, try it again. You guys see it, don't flop close or anything. All right, you can hold your kickstand like this, like that, or vice versa, the other way. And then when you're done, put it back to open up. And then you have a 3-card holder. All right, I already tried to put more than 3. So I got some gift cards in here and stuff. So the mechanism feel very secure. So even when it's open, it's not closing. And even when it's closed, it's not open. Like I said, it's a 3-card holder. So 1, 2, 3 gift cards right here. Put it in the back, lock it up, good to go. Price on this one again, $27. Let's keep it going. All right, guys, next one is your VRS DESIGN Terra Guard Ultimate Case. This one features a camera guard, all right, it has regular design as well. Colors on this one, they have green, black, and orange. Price on this one, $23. All right, in the front, you have nice resivity all the way around, all right. You got very clicky buttons. Okay, you got nice little grips on the side. Cutouts on top is fine. More grip on this side. On the bottom here, you can get your S Pen, just fine. Speaker grill, Type-C microphone. Right here is your camera guard. When open, it does not flop close. When it's closed, it does not flop close as well, or open, correction. And then your MagSafe ring, okay, worked just fine. And pretty well strong to keep on as well. All right, so that was the Terra case for $23. Let's keep it going. All right, guys, next up here is your VRS DESIGN Orb Case. This one priced at $25. It comes in 2 colors, black and maroon. All right, this one feature a kickstand and a 3-card holder. Before we get to that, start from the front. You have nice resivity. All right, the buttons, very clicky, cutout on top, blank side. S Pen, you can get to just fine. Speaker grill, just fine. Type-C microphone, just fine. In the back here, your camera guards are pushed into the case, so don't worry about nothing hitting that as well. Plus, with his wallet back here, you're not gonna be hitting it directly, be hitting the wallet first. You do have a little bit of shakage though. All right, and then right here you have your kickstand, very clicky. It does not close when it's open. Kickstand like this or like this. All right, when you're done, put it back. It does open when you're shaking around. And then right here is your 3-card holder, spring loaded. So you put 3 cards in here, you can see it. 1, 2, 3. And like I said, it's spring loaded, so even want to push a little bit, You need to push all the way up, fully close it, and then push it down, open it up, and then put the 3 cards back in, lock and load it. All right, that was the VRS DESIGN Orb Case, $25. We'll keep it going. All right, guys, your last case here is your VRS DESIGN Damda Glide Pro Card Holder Case. All right, this one comes in 2 colors, black and maroon, priced at $23. We'll start from the front. You have nice razivity. You have a huge chin. We'll get back to that in a minute. Your buttons, very clicky. You do have nice little grips on the side. Cutouts on the top is fine. More grooves inside. And now we're on to the huge chin, all right? So this was what I remember from last year, what I didn't like, this huge chin from S24. So real quick, you can still get your S Pen, but you have a nice little, you can pretty much put your finger, half your finger in there to push the S Pen, which is, that's a no-no for me. Your speaker grill, all the way down to the bottom down here, where there's a no, shows your type C, and your microphone jack is all the way down there. So even when you put your recording here, you're going there pretty far in. So that's overkill for me. Let's keep going though. And then on the very back here, you have enough room if you wanted to add a camera guards protection as well. But you do have enough space here for protection because your case featured that wallet. You do have a little bit of shakage though. So if you are playing some games with texting up here, it might be, if you push it too hard, it might be shaking it. Move on to the back. You have this spring-loaded card holder that feature up to 4 cards. Right now I have 3 cards in here and stuff, but it is spring-loaded. So if you're out and about, you gotta pay for food, you just slap it out and then put it back in and go to go. All right, so that was your Damda Glide Pro card for $23. All right, guys, so that was your VRS DESIGN case lineup. All right, so some good cases here and some bad ones. Let's go ahead and pull out the one that I would recommend. It would be this right here. The reason being because you have this overextended kill chin on the bottom. I like the concept, but they could have did a better engineering on this case right here. This is too much of a chin for you to carry around in your pocket, okay? Like I said, good concept. The slide mechanism, did a really good job with the spring-loaded, but the overextended chin is definitely a no-go for me, okay? Other than that, the other cases right here, they did a really well balanced. Like these two right here, you're still getting a 3-card holder phone case, which featuring good protection, and you're not giving up any type of real estate on your phone. So these run here does a really good job. If you want a 360 protection, this one offers the camera guard, the kickstand, and the card holder. This one here is more like a business one, professional one, more of a clean looking one. So still get your kickstand, still get your 3-card holder slot for cards, and this very simple and clean case. And then if you don't care about none of the card holders and you only care about your camera protected and want a MagSafe ring to use for attachments, then this right here be for you right here. Simple design, MagSafe ring, camera guard. I personally think this one over here will look perfect without a camera guard, but that's just my personal opinion. But other than that, guys, everything you see here will be leave down in the description for pickup. If you guys pick it up, please use my link. I do get a little bit of commission back from Amazon when you pick up from my link off Amazon. But other than that, you have any comments or concerns or questions, please feel free to leave it down below in the comments, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. But in the meantime, guys, I am MoneyMarrowTech. See you guys next time. Peace.